So, guys, today I want to talk about what is the difference between um, school, like civil engineering school, and like working on an actual structural firm. Now, I didn't go for a structural school, so a lot of the things that I've learned doing structural work are very different from what I learned in school. Right now, I'm still at work. Uh, it's actually not very different from school. It's a lot of reading, a lot of just figuring things out. The difference is that usually you don't have a professor or anybody who tells you what to do or how to do it. Usually you have a problem and you just need to figure out how to solve it. Sometimes like those problems don't have like a very defined solution or well uh, written solution. Like not a lot of people have done research on, or stuff like that. So you need to actually figure it out on your own research. Every day that I work here, it's a different problem, a different puzzle. A lot of these things I don't know, so I need to figure out. And every day you're learning. It's really good, really interesting if you're into that kind of thing. There's also a lot of detailing, a lot of doing red marks, checking drawings. That's kind of boring. Checking structural notes. So honestly, it's not that different from school. The big difference that I can tell you is that it's one is more hours, and two, like nobody's gonna be behind you. Like you don't fail, you don't pass, or anything like that. You either like do the job or well you get fired. That's how it is. So you need to know your shit and step it up and try not to lace too much. It's impossible to always be efficient 8 hours a day every day. So you need to try to make your time count. So if you're gonna be working like 6 hours now non-stop, like just be sure that it counts. Take 15-minute breaks, to clear your mind and stuff like that. Uh, you're going to be doing a lot of reading in any type of civil work or engineering work that you do, especially this type of learning. You're going to be learning a lot every day, but eventually it becomes easy. And it's just like everything, the more you do it, the easier it becomes. Um, there's not a lot of difference between work as an engineering school. It's just that you get paid and it's longer.